I once bought a gorgeous ceiling fan, only to find it hung so low I practically ducked every time I walked under it. Low ceilings make finding the right fan a nightmare. Most standard fans are too bulky, awkwardly designed, or simply lack the airflow you desperately need during those sweltering summer months. You end up compromising on style just to save a few inches of headroom. But it doesn't have to be that way. I've personally tested the top contenders on the market. Stick around to find out which low-profile fan completely transformed my living space. 10. DREO Dimmable. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was immediately drawn to its modern, matte black finish and the promise of smart home integration. It boasts a highly efficient DC motor and claims to offer seamless connectivity with your home Wi-Fi network. The physical installation process was relatively straightforward, and the fan itself sits reasonably flush against the ceiling, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to maximize the vertical space in a cramped room. However, once I actually got it up and running, my enthusiasm began to wane significantly. While the dimmable LED light sounds great on paper, in practice, I noticed a very faint but irritating flicker when the brightness was turned down below 30%. It is the kind of subtle issue that you might not notice immediately during the day, but it becomes incredibly distracting when you're trying to wind down in the evening. Additionally, the Smart App integration, which should have been a major selling point, proved to be rather finicky and dropped the connection to my router multiple times during the first week of testing. Another area where this fan left me somewhat disappointed was the overall build quality of the blades. They are constructed from a very lightweight plastic that, while keeping the overall weight of the unit down, feels noticeably cheap to the touch. When the fan is running on its highest speed setting, this lightweight construction translates into a slight wobble and a subtle plastic rattling noise that disrupts the otherwise quiet hum of the DC motor. It is definitely not the silent experience you want for a bedroom or a quiet study area where focus is required. 9. Honeywell Carmel. This 48-inch fan features an oil-rubbed bronze finish and reversible blades that give you a choice between two different wood tones. Out of the box, the motor housing feels incredibly heavy and substantial, which initially gave me a sense of confidence in its overall durability. It is clearly designed to appeal to those who want a classic, slightly rustic look for their low-ceiling living rooms or covered outdoor patios. Unfortunately, that heavy motor housing made the installation process far more strenuous than it needed to be. Getting the canopy to sit perfectly flush against the ceiling while supporting the sheer weight of the AC motor required an extra set of hands and a lot of patience. Once I finally got it installed, I quickly realized that the airflow generated by the traditional blade pitch is surprisingly weak. Even when cranked up to the highest of its 3 speeds, the breeze felt localized directly underneath the fan, completely failing to circulate the air throughout a medium-sized room. The lighting fixture on the Carmel is another aspect that deeply frustrated me during my testing period. It utilizes a heavily frosted, bowl-shaped glass shade that swallows up a massive amount of the light produced by the bulbs inside. If you're relying on this fan as the primary light source for a room, you're going to be left sitting in a dim, yellowish gloom. Furthermore, the thick glass bowl traps heat, causing the enclosed bulbs to run incredibly hot, which feels completely counterproductive when you're running a fan to try and cool a room down. While the Honeywell Carmel certainly nails the traditional aesthetic and feels built like an absolute tank, its actual performance as a ceiling fan is severely lacking. 8. SMAFAN Apex. The Apex is a beautifully designed, smart ceiling fan that immediately impressed me with its clean lines and modern, minimalist canopy. Right away, the physical installation was a breeze compared to the previous models I tested, featuring well-written instructions and a clever mounting bracket that easily accommodated the low-profile design without any frustrating balancing acts. One of the absolute standout features of the SMAFAN Apex is its incredible 10-speed DC motor. Testing this motor was an absolute joy because it provides an amazing range of control allowing you to dial in the exact amount of breeze you need without any of the annoying mechanical humming found in older models. Whether I set it to a gentle air circulation mode for the winter or cranked it up to maximum for a hot afternoon, the motor remained whisper quiet and perfectly balanced against the ceiling. The smart features on this fan are also a massive step up from the bottom-tier models. The dedicated application is incredibly responsive, and pairing it with my Google Assistant took less than 2 minutes from start to finish. I loved being able to walk into my living room and simply use a voice command to turn on the fan and adjust the ambient lighting. The integrated LED panel provides a wonderfully bright, even distribution of light without any of the flickering issues I experienced earlier in my testing. To wrap up my thoughts on the Apex, it is a phenomenal entry into the mid-tier smart fan market. It hugs the ceiling beautifully, leaving plenty of clearance even in rooms with challenging 8-foot ceilings. 7. Hunter Cranbrook. Taking heavily from mid-century modern design cues, this fan features a beautiful open bulb fixture and a wonderfully retro mint or black finish, depending on the specific model you choose. It doesn't just try to blend seamlessly into the ceiling. It acts as a genuine architectural statement piece that elevates the entire decor of the room while still saving you crucial vertical headroom. The overall build quality is exactly what you would expect from a legacy brand like Hunter. The blonde wood finish blades are thick, perfectly weighted, and attached to the motor housing with satisfyingly secure hardware. During my testing, I found that the Cranbrook utilizes Hunter's renowned Whisperwind motor technology to great effect. It delivers an impressive amount of targeted air movement while keeping the ambient noise down to an absolute minimum, ensuring your living space remains completely peaceful and comfortable. I particularly enjoyed the unique lighting setup on this specific model. Instead of hiding the bulb behind a frosted glass bowl, the Cranbrook embraces an exposed, vintage-style Edison LED bulb. This not only fits perfectly with the mid-century aesthetic, but also allows the light to cast beautifully across the entire room without any frustrating diffusion loss. The included handheld remote control is intuitive, highly responsive, and comes with a convenient wall mount so you never accidentally misplace it under the couch cushions. In conclusion, the Hunter Cranbrook proves that you do not have to sacrifice your personal style when shopping for a flush mount ceiling fan. It delivers exceptional, quiet performance while serving as a fantastic conversation piece for your guests. 6. Prominence Home Alvina. This 42-inch fan is specifically designed for tighter spaces like guest bedrooms, home offices, or small dining nooks. What immediately stood out to me was just how incredibly tight this fan sits against the drywall. It features one of the absolute lowest profiles I have ever seen on a ceiling fan, making it an absolute lifesaver for older homes with exceptionally low clearance. Despite its much smaller stature, the Alvina punches well above its weight class when it comes to actual airflow. I installed this compact unit in a cramped, stuffy home office, and the 3-speed motor circulated the air beautifully, instantly making the room feel cooler and more breathable during a long workday. The blades are perfectly pitched to maximize air movement without putting unnecessary strain on the motor, resulting in a smooth, completely wobble-free operation even when running on the highest possible setting. The lighting fixture features a simple, elegant frosted globe that houses standard, easily replaceable LED bulbs. While it might not have the tunable color temperatures or smart features of the high-end fans, it provides a warm, comforting glow that is perfectly suited for a relaxing bedroom environment. The pull chains are thick, sturdy, and easily accessible, though the fan is also fully compatible with universal remote control kits if you prefer to upgrade its functionality later down the line. Ultimately, the Prominence Home Alvina is the very definition of a reliable, budget-friendly workhorse. It doesn't rely on flashy smart integrations or a complex DC motor, but it does exactly what a low-profile fan is supposed to do, and it does it exceptionally well. 5. WAC Lighting Mocha. The moment I unboxed this 8-blade behemoth, I knew I was dealing with a serious piece of engineered hardware. The sheer scale and modern industrial design of the Mocha are breathtaking to behold. Despite its massive wingspan, the smart mounting system is engineered to keep the motor housing impressively close to the ceiling, making it a fantastic option for large rooms or covered patios that suffer from low clearance. Performance-wise, the Mocha operates in a league entirely of its own. It utilizes a commercial-grade DC motor that is astonishingly powerful, yet manages to remain completely silent during operation. When I tested this fan on a blistering hot afternoon on my covered deck, the 8 strategically pitched blades move a literal wall of air, creating a massive cooling zone that traditional 3-blade fans simply cannot replicate. It feels exactly like having a gentle, continuous ocean breeze right in your own backyard or living room. The smart integration on the WAC Mocha is practically flawless right out of the box. It pairs seamlessly with the WAC Smart Fan app, allowing for incredibly granular control over the fan speeds and the integrated LED luminaire system. I was particularly impressed by the robust scheduling features, which allowed me to set the fan to automatically turn on at a low speed just before I normally wake up. The LED light is intensely bright for late nights, but can be easily dimmed down to a gentle ambient glow. The WAC Lighting Mocha is undeniably a premium investment, but the return on that financial investment is massive. You are getting unparalleled airflow, a striking architectural design, and top-tier smart home compatibility that actually works reliably. 4. Monte Carlo 3 MAVR 60BK. This 60-inch ceiling fan is famous in the design world for its 3 hand-carved balsa wood blades, and seeing it in person completely validated all of the hype. The blades have a sweeping, organic curve that looks much more like an aviation propeller or a piece of modern sculpture than a standard home appliance. Because it lacked a light kit entirely, the Maverick maintains an incredibly slim, ultra-low profile that essentially hugs the ceiling invisible. Testing the Maverick was an eye-opening experience regarding how aerodynamic design directly impacts airflow. Because the balsa wood blades are ridiculously lightweight, the 6-speed DC motor does not have to work hard at all to get them spinning up to top speed. The result is a fan that pushes a tremendous volume of air across a massive footprint while using a tiny fraction of the electricity required by a standard AC motor. It is so remarkably quiet that the only sound you hear is the actual movement of the wind itself. The included premium remote control is ergonomically designed and incredibly intuitive to use on a daily basis. It allowed me to easily cycle through the 6 speeds and switch the fan's direction for winter heat circulation without ever having to reach for a physical switch. The installation process was also surprisingly straightforward, as the lightweight nature of the balsa components meant I could easily lift and maneuver the motor housing into place by myself without straining my back. The Monte Carlo Maverick is the absolute perfect choice for anyone who values architectural beauty and silent, highly efficient performance above all else. 3. Sofucor Solid Wood. This beautiful fan struck the absolute perfect balance between organic warmth and modern technology during my testing phase. It features 3 beautifully crafted solid wood blades that bring a touch of nature and incredible visual texture to the ceiling. What amazed me most was the brilliant flush mount engineering. The canopy integrates so tightly with the motor housing that it leaves maximum headroom, making it a stellar option for older homes or basement renovations. The performance of the Sofucor's advanced DC motor is nothing short of spectacular. It offers 6 distinct speed settings, and even at maximum velocity, the fan remains completely noiseless. I tested this specific unit in a master bedroom, and its whisper-quiet operation ensured that my sleep was never once disturbed by mechanical clicking or humming. The solid wood blades are pitched aggressively enough to push a comforting, steady breeze that instantly cools the room without blowing loose papers off your nightstand. I was also deeply impressed by the beautifully integrated LED lighting system. Unlike many wood blade fans that treat lighting as a cheap afterthought, the Sofucor features a high-quality LED panel that actually allows you to adjust the color temperature on the fly. Whether I wanted a crisp, daylight white for reading a book or a warm, cozy yellow for winding down at night, I could easily switch the mood using the included remote control. The light is beautifully diffused, casting no harsh shadows across the room. The Sofucor solid wood flush mount is a complete triumph of modern design and everyday functionality. 2. Morpheus III. If you're looking for the absolute cutting edge of ceiling fan technology and futuristic design, this is exactly what you need. The Morpheus III features a sleek, aerodynamic 3-blade setup that looks like it was pulled straight out of a high-budget sci-fi movie. It sits impressively close to the ceiling, utilizing a uniquely shaped motor housing that expertly minimizes its vertical footprint while maximizing its overall visual impact in the room. During my rigorous testing, the Morpheus III proved to have one of the most advanced DC motors available on the consumer market. It is terrifyingly quiet. I actually had to look up at the blades several times just to confirm it was actively running because the motor produces absolute zero mechanical noise. Despite the total silence, it generates a ferocious amount of airflow, easily circulating air throughout a large, open-concept living and dining area in a matter of minutes. It is a true powerhouse disguised in a slim, highly elegant shell. The smart integration on this fan is the absolute best I have ever experienced in any home appliance. It connects natively to almost every smart home ecosystem imaginable, including Control 4, SmartThings, and standard voice assistants, entirely without the need for frustrating additional hubs. The Modern Forms app is incredibly polished, allowing for unique features like adaptive learning, which actually adjusts the fan speed automatically based on the room's current temperature. The integrated LED luminaire is blindingly bright at maximum capacity, but dims down perfectly to a smooth, flicker-free glow. The Morpheus III is a brilliant masterclass in modern engineering and smart design. 1. Hunter Dempsey. After extensive, grueling testing of numerous models across all price points, the Dempsey stands completely unmatched as the ultimate all-rounder in the low-profile ceiling fan market. It doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks or overly complicated apps. Instead, it delivers absolute perfection in the core areas that matter most to homeowners: design, reliability, airflow, and price. Its clean, transitional aesthetic seamlessly blends into almost any decor style imaginable, from modern farmhouse to contemporary chic. The flush-mount design of the Dempsey is expertly engineered to solve low-clearance problems. It practically hugs the drywall, making it the absolute safest and most stylish bet for rooms with ceilings under 8 feet. Despite its incredibly snug fit, the performance of Hunter's Whisperwind motor is legendary for a reason. I found that it effortlessly pushed a massive amount of air, instantly transforming a hot, stagnant room into a comfortable oasis, all while operating in absolute pin-drop silence. You get maximum cooling power without ever having to turn up the volume on your television. The lighting setup on the Dempsey is equally impressive and thoughtfully designed. The low-profile glass housing contains highly efficient, fully dimmable LED bulbs that flood the entire room with gorgeous, even light rather than a harsh spotlight effect. The included remote control is perfectly laid out, making it incredibly easy to adjust the fan speed or seamlessly dim the lights from the comfort of your couch or bed. Furthermore, the physical installation process was the smoothest out of all the fans I tested, featuring crystal clear instructions and entirely foolproof wiring connections. Ultra. That's all for today.